Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 11. So open any web browser, then search here WhatsApp app. Click on this official link. Select Mac or PC. Select here Get it from Microsoft. Now click on Open Microsoft Store. Login your web address. Login your Microsoft Store if needed. Click on Get. Now wait for a few seconds till this downloading process will finish. Now once you're done, click on Open. Now click on Get Started. To set up your WhatsApp on your computer, follow these 3 steps. First one, open WhatsApp on your phone. Second one, tap menu dots or settings and select link devices. Tap link a device and point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So this is the way you can download and install WhatsApp on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.